In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule automated tasks in Base44 Superagent. By the end, you'll have an agent that posts a daily summary straight into a Slack channel you choose, and you'll know how to verify that everything is running as expected. First, open the Base44 web app in your browser. Once you're in, look for the Superagent section in the main navigation and click it. This is where all of your automation lives, so it's the best place to start any workflow you want to put on autopilot. Inside Superagents, either pick an existing agent that already does part of what you want, or create a new one if you'd like to keep this automation separate. Reusing an existing agent is great when it already has the right data, access, and tools. Creating a new one helps you keep responsibilities clear and easier to troubleshoot later. With your agent open, use the prompt area to clearly instruct what should happen. For our example, write a concise instruction asking the agent to produce a daily summary and send it directly to a specific Slack channel. Be explicit about the frequency, the content you expect in the summary, and the exact channel name. Clear instructions make the automation more reliable, and using consistent phrasing helps you get predictable results. Next, head to the Tasks or Automations area for this agent. Here you can review the schedule that powers the automation and run it manually to test. A quick manual run is an excellent way to confirm the agent has the right permissions and that the message format looks good. Also, double check the time zone and the run frequency so the summary goes out exactly when your team needs it. You'll see your active automation listed with its current status. Confirm it shows as active, note the next runtime, and make sure the schedule matches your expectations. If anything looks off, this is the easiest place to adjust the frequency or temporarily pause and resume without changing your prompt. Finally, open Slack and look for the message in the channel you targeted. You should see the daily summary appear with the formatting you specified. If it's not there after a manual run, revisit the agent's instruction to confirm the channel name is correct and that the agent's output is directed to Slack rather than just to you privately. That's it. Your super agent is now set to post updates automatically, saving you time and keeping your team informed without manual effort. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.